Welcome to the seventh video on solving equations. And in this video, we will learn how to solve equations involving radicals, or as they are popularly known as surd equations. Now, what is a surd equation? Equations in the form of x minus plus minus a is equal to b. Now, these kind of equations which involve these radicals are known as surd equations. So let us see how to solve these equations by actually solving. That's the best way to understand how to solve a surd equation. So the first equation, under root of 7 minus x is equal to x minus 1. Now to solve these equations, we will have to make a transformation because we cannot make any operation under the square root. Therefore, we will just square both the sides. So on the left hand side, you will get 7 minus x, and on the right hand side you will get x minus 1 the whole square, and that reduces to 7 minus x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. So you simplify that, you get x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. And if you solve these two equations, what will you get? If you have to solve this equation, you can factorize it like this: minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the values of x that we obtain are 3 and minus 2. This is x plus 2, I'm sorry. Now remember one thing very carefully, जब भी equations को आप transformation से solve करते हो, transformation मतलब यहाँ पे आपने square किया है, you squared the equation in order to solve it. Now this is known as transforming the equation into another equation. So whenever you solve an equation, after transforming one equation, it is a good idea to substitute these values obtained in the original equation to check whether they satisfy or they don't. Only then you will be able to find out the correct answers. For example, here, if I put the value of 3 as x, so under root of 7 minus 3 on the left hand side will become under root of 4, which is equal to 2. And on the right hand side also we get 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So this 3 is an acceptable value. But what about minus 2? If you put x as minus 2, on the left hand side you will get 7 minus of minus 2, that is under root of 9, which is equal to 3. But on the right hand side you will get minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3, and hence this value is not acceptable. So the correct answer is 3. Next, we have another equation, x minus under root of x plus 1 is equal to 5. Again, a good idea is you take all the equations in the under root onto one side. So you have x minus 5 is equal to under root of x plus 1. Now this is exactly similar to the equation that we just now solved. So what are we supposed to do now? Just square both the sides. तो स्क्वायर करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा भाई हमको? x minus 5 का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 1. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, क्या मिलेगा? x स्क्वायर माइनस 10x प्लस 25 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 1. इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करो, x स्क्वायर माइनस 11x प्लस 24 इज इक्वल टू 0. And if you factorize it, you will get x minus 8 into x minus 3 is equal to 0, or the two possible values of x are 8 and 3. But again, we have simplified the equation and transformed. इस equation को solve करने के लिए हमने transformation किया है. So we have to put the values of x in the equation to see whether you get the correct answer as is given in the RHS. So let us put x is equal to 8. So 8 minus under root of 8 plus 1, that is 8 minus under root of 9, that is 8 minus 3, that is 5, which is equal to RHS. So 8 is an acceptable solution. How about 3? If you put 3 here, you will get 3 minus under root of 3 plus 1, which is 3 minus under root of 4, which is 3 minus 2, and you get 1, which is not equal to LHS. So you will ignore the value of x calculated as 3. Next, now you have an equation which involves two radicals. So under root of 4 minus x plus under root of 5 plus x. Now how do you deal with this? Again, you take one radical on the other side and you have under root of 4 minus x is equal to 3 minus under root of 5 plus x. And now square both sides again. So when you square both sides again, you will get 4 minus x on the right hand side, on the left hand side, and 9 plus 5 plus x minus 2 into 3 under root of 5 plus x. All we did was we applied a minus b whole square here. So this is a square, which is 9, b square is 5 plus x, minus 2ab is minus 2 into 3 into under root of 5 plus x. So what do we get? 9 plus 5, 14. 14 and 4 minus 14 will give you minus 10. Minus x and this minus x will give you minus 2x is equal to minus 6 under root 5 plus x. Cancelling the negative sign on both the sides, we will get 10 plus 2x is equal to 6 under root of 5 plus x. Again, cancelling by 2 on both the sides, we get 5 plus x is equal to 3 under root of 5 plus x. And again, squaring both the sides, we will have 25 plus x square plus 10x is equal to 3 into 5 plus x. What next? You get a quadratic equation. X square, 10x and minus 3x will give you plus 7x, and 25 minus 15 will give you minus 10 is equal to 0. Will it be minus 10 or plus 10? It will be plus 10, I think. So yeah, plus 10. So if you solve this equation, you will get x is equal to 5, x plus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to minus 5 or minus 2. Again, we have transformed the equation. So we will have to substitute both the values of x, minus 5 and minus 2, in order to identify the correct solution. Put x is equal to minus 5. So we have under root of 4 minus 5 plus under root of 5 plus minus 5. So what do you get here? Under root of 9, which is 3. So minus 5 is surely an acceptable solution. What about putting x as minus 2? You will get minus 6 plus under root of 6 plus under root of 3 is not equal to 3. So you will ignore this value. Thank you.